You can use CONNECTExplorer's search tool to quickly find an address, property, or location that interests you. To access the search tool, click the Search tab in the toolbar. By default, the search type is set to address. Let's perform an address search. Enter a street number, street name, city, state, and zip code, and click the search button. If an exact match is found, a green push pin appears in the geographic center of the property. If you search for a large property, the imagery zooms out to display the entire property. If no exact match is found, a red push pin appears in your imagery, representing CONNECTExplorer's best estimate of the location you searched for. To ensure that you see the most accurate results, try to include a city, state, and zip code in your search. Without this information, you might see results in areas where no imagery is available for your organization. When this is the case, a message appears that reads, "No results were found for your search within the permitted area." When multiple results are found, a push pin appears at the location of the closest match. Additional results are listed in the search pane on the right. Clicking a result in the search pane takes you to that location highlighted in blue. Click the triangle to the left of a result to see more information. In the search bar, you can see a list of additional search terms in gray text. In this case, you can search for either an address or a landmark. To search for a landmark, simply type the name of the landmark and click the search button. A push pin appears on your image and search results appear in the search pane. You can also use the default address search to find a location based on its latitude and longitude. Type the latitude and longitude coordinates in decimal degrees, separated by a comma, and click the search button. A push pin appears on your image and results appear in the search pane. If the coordinates are not valid, a message appears that reads, "No results were found for your search." You might have access to additional search types based on local GIS information. If additional search types are available for your organization, you can access them by clicking the word address above the search bar. From the list of available search types, select the GIS layer whose information you want to search. Notice that when you choose a new search type, the search terms change accordingly. Enter a search based on the selected GIS information and click the search button. Search results are not case sensitive, so you can enter search terms in either upper or lowercase. If you perform a search that includes 2 or more terms such as East Avenue, CONNECTExplorer looks for each word independently, but only returns results that include both search terms. If the search yields no results, a message appears that reads, "No results were found for your search." If you want to hide the push pin and outline that identifies a search location, click Options in the search pane, then click Hide Results on Map. Additionally, you can clear all results by clicking Clear All. You can also export search results to a spreadsheet where you can view and manipulate all of your search information. To export search results, click Options, then Export Results. You can then open or save your results in a CSV file. Finally, you can quickly search for your current location using CONNECTExplorer's built-in GPS tool. To use this tool, you must access CONNECTExplorer on a GPS-enabled device. To search for your current location, click the GPS tool button in the lower corner of the interface. An alert appears requesting permission to share your location. When you approve the request, your current location appears in your imagery. If you use the GPS tool from a non-GPS enabled device, the location of your server appears instead.